Aloha! This is Johnny Saigon again with another Johnny Amazon product review. This time we will unbox a very peculiar phone called the BezosMax. Sorry about the hair. That's my baby Sophia's. Okay, anyway, if you don't know, the owner of Amazon is Jeff Bezos. So the irony isn't lost on me when this particular phone chooses to call itself the Bezos Max. And you're in for a treat because it's a very, very interesting phone. And let's go through this unboxing together, shall we? Alrighty then. Okay, we're back. Had to find something to take out the seal here. Not a knife person, so let's go with this pair of scissors. Okay, so you can see on the back side it says the BezosMax. Check this out. Model S23 Pro. I wonder what that could mean. Little foreshadowing there. Remember now, once again, this is called the BezosMax. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Drum roll, please. All right, the suspense is still there because it's wrapped in this plastic sheath here. Okay, here we go. So, what do you think this phone will look like? First of all, before I even take it out, look at how small it is. Jeepers creepers. I'm going to do a comparison with another phone soon, but let's just check this out first. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at this squared off beauty. Now, if once I turn it to the back side, you're going to know exactly what this phone looks like. But for now, let's enjoy the sides first. So it's got a USB-C port. Good. No more micro or mini USB anymore. Okay. On the so-called right side, if you're facing the screen, is I'm guessing the power button. The volume rockers up and down on the left side facing the screen. Okay, you got the microphone and speaker. This is part of the selfie camera. It's got a little plastic tab here, so it's got a BS screen protector, so we will leave that on for now, since I don't have any screen protectors myself. But anyway, so here, let's go to the back. Ta-da! Okay, so it looks like it's got another screen protector here for the back panel. But, okay, well, first of all, let's get this out of the way first. It's kind of tight on there. There we go. All right. Look at that beauty. Okay. Let's go through and see what else is in the box. You got your SIM pin here. Oh. Okay, well, first of all, hang on. This is probably the charging cable. Yep. USB-C to USB-A, which sucks, but it's fine. It is what it is. Okay, so you can already guess this is a Chinese phone. which is fine, because otherwise where else would you find phones like this, right? Who else would make phones like this? So here, this is pretty cool. It comes with a screen protector included. Nice. Huge stop right there, because I wouldn't want to buy one because I don't know if they even make one for this phone. So later on we'll take that out, put the real screen protector on, and it comes with a clear plastic, soft plastic case, silicone case. So we'll put that on later, but just wanted to show you this beauty. And unfortunately, this was probably made last year in 2023, so that's why they called it the BezosMax S23 Pro. Although what they should have called it was the BezosMax S23 Ultra. Because here now we can do a proper comparison. So I don't have the S23, the real S23 Ultra, but what I do have is the S24 Ultra. And you can tell that it's the 24 Ultra because the speaker grill is a full slit and not one of those, you know, that has the grill, the vertical grills on it. So this one is just one solid slit. So it's S24 Ultra. I got mine covered up by a later case with an aramid carbon fiber case. But the color is the orangish tangerine color one. But anyways, as you can see, this is probably the cutest knockoff mini phone I've ever seen. I mean, look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. What a great knockoff of the S23 Ultra. They even got all 5 cameras correct. Although I doubt that all 5 cameras are actual cameras, that it has 5 functional cameras. I'm guessing at least out of the 5, at least 3 of them are just dummy. And it might have like one real camera that is a main camera, and maybe like another one for either ultra wide or telephoto. But I really doubt that all 5 are true cameras, but it is what it is. You can try doing a photo test later on when I do the full review. But yeah, so just want to show you this neat phone here that I saw the other day, and I just had to get to review for you guys. So it's called, once again, the BezosMax S23 Pro. How ironic. I mean, I only found this phone on Amazon, not anywhere else. So not sure where else in the US that they sell this, but what great irony that they sell this on Amazon and call it the BezosMax, and it's it's a tiny ass phone. I mean, look at this. You can fit almost 2 of these phones into an S23 Ultra, an S24 Ultra. It's just over half the height and just over half the width as well. And it weighs very light. I don't know exactly how much. We'll get the data out later on when I do the full review, but it's actually very light, but it's hefty. You can feel there's some gadgetry underneath. It's not just a dummy phone. So we'll do the full test later on and see what it can do. But for now, this is the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Johnny Saigon, or you can call me Johnny Amazon, because this is an Amazon product review, and specifically the unboxing of the BezosMax S23 Pro. If you want to catch more of these videos, you can catch my YouTube channel at Vietnam Vivu, V-I-V-U. So the channel is called Vietnam Vivu. And once again, thanks for watching. This is Johnny Saigon. Aloha and mahalo.